Yes guys, welcome back to the channel again. Today I'll be showing you how to make some pumpkin coconut rice, Jamaican style. Yeah guys, so here are the ingredients for the pumpkin coconut rice. Alright, so here you have some coconut milk, the pumpkin, you know, the star of the show. We have some scallion and we have some thyme. Alright, so we're gonna drop in everything real quick and fast, just like that. Yeah man, drop it right in. That's about 2 cups of chopped up pumpkin. Drop in the scallion, drop in the thyme. I also have some onion, just a little bit, not too much, about a tablespoon of onion. Then we go drop in some garlic, same way, fresh garlic. This is gonna add a nice flavor to the pumpkin coconut rice. So we are dropping the same way, drop in the coconut milk. This is about 13.5 ounces of coconut milk, greased coconut milk. You see me? And then we're gonna add in some water. Add in about 2 to 3 cups of water. And then we're gonna close it down, close on the blender, and blend it up nice and proper. Yeah man. Alright now guys, so we're gonna add in all this to the pot, bring it to a boil, add in the rice, add some seasoning to it, some dry seasoning, and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes until the rice is nice and flaky, ready to go. Alright, go ahead and drizzle a little bit of olive oil. That's about a tablespoon of olive oil. And then we're gonna add in our rice, some basmati rice, about 4 cups of rice. Now you just want to do this for about a minute. Then we're gonna add our blended mixture, you know, the coconut milk with the pumpkin and all that good stuff. And like I said guys, you want to cook this for a good 15 to 20 minutes. We're gonna start the stove right now is on high heat. Alright, so once this comes to a boil, we're gonna turn it down to about a medium low heat and let it simmer. I'm also gonna add about a tablespoon of season up Maggi chicken seasoning. Drop it in. And also a tablespoon of Maggi veggie soup mix. Alright, just a tablespoon, because this is very salty, so you don't want to add too much. Same thing goes for the Maggi chicken seasoning, you know. All these lovely ingredients combined together is going to give you a nice pumpkin coconut rice recipe. Yeah man, so just go and watch the show. Yeah man. Yes guys, so this is the finished product right here. You know, I cooked my rice, my pumpkin coconut rice, for about 20 minutes. You know, it's nice and flaky, steamy, packed with a bunch of flavor. I'm about to do a nice taste test real quick and let you know how it is. Wow. Yes guys, this right here, this recipe, crazy good. Yeah man, you don't need no meat, no fish, no sauce or anything like that. You know, the rice is nice and creamy. You know, you get actually tasting the coconut milk inside of this recipe right here, with the flavor from the pumpkin and all the other natural, you know, seasoning them that we added, that we blended earlier. Yeah man, so if you enjoy watching this video guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. Alright, peace. So good.